Did you know regular squats only work about 60% of your lower body muscles? But with the variations I'm about to show you, you'll be able to target up to 90% of your entire lower body in a single workout. The last one is an exercise ancient warriors used to train their bodies. Have you ever wondered why some people's legs look strong and powerful while others seem weak and wobbly? The goblet squat will have people noticing that your legs are filling out your pants in all the right ways. For this variation, your weight placement is key. By holding a weight close to your chest, you shift the focus onto proper form and deeper muscle activation. This targeted approach can lead to significant strength gains and better movement patterns that help with injury prevention as we age. But the benefits don't stop there. Goblet squats also give your core a serious workout and improve posture in ways that regular squats simply can't match. As you perform the exercise, your abdominal muscles and back work overtime to keep your body upright and stable. This means you're not just building leg strength, but also improving your overall core stability and reducing lower back pain. To perform this exercise, start by holding a dumbbell or kettlebell close to your chest with both hands. Keep your feet shoulder-width apart and your toes pointed slightly outward. This hand placement is the key to unlocking the full potential of this exercise and maintaining upright posture throughout the movement. As you lower your body, keep your chest up and your back straight. This is crucial for maintaining proper form and getting the maximum benefits for joint health. Lower yourself until your thighs are parallel to the ground or as deep as your mobility allows, then push through your heels to return to the starting position. Remember to keep your core tight and your knees tracking over your toes throughout the movement. While goblet squats offer incredible benefits, they can be challenging to master if you have tight hips or poor ankle mobility. Common mistakes include leaning forward too much and letting the knees cave inward. To avoid these errors, focus on keeping your chest proud and your knees pushing out in line with your toes. Here's a quick tip. If you're new to goblet squats, start with just your body weight to master the movement pattern. As you build strength and mobility, gradually add weight to increase the challenge. Later in this video, I'll be showing you a squat that will have your glute muscles completely transformed. But first, let's talk about the next exercise that will make you feel like you're building functional strength that actually matters for daily life. Imagine a squat that not only builds leg power, but also improves your balance and works each leg independently. Sound too good to be true? You probably never heard of the Bulgarian split squat, properly explained before. One key benefit of Bulgarian split squats is enhanced single leg strength and stability. This is crucial for maintaining proper movement patterns and fall prevention in your daily life. The exercise challenges your body to work one leg at a time, which translates to improved functional movement and better balance as we age. To perform a Bulgarian split squat, stand about 2 feet in front of a bench or chair. Place the top of your back foot on the bench behind you. Your front leg should be doing most of the work. Lower your body by bending your front knee until your thigh is parallel to the ground. Then push back up to the starting position. You can see how this movement challenges your balance and works your legs independently. The single leg focus is what sets this variation apart from regular squats. It increases the activation of your glute muscles and helps correct muscle imbalances between your left and right leg. This improved balance and stability is essential for healthy aging and maintaining your independence. As you perform Bulgarian split squats, you're not just building strength, you're also improving your coordination and range of motion. It's like getting multiple benefits that you can start to see results from quickly. A mistake that is very common is putting too much weight on the back foot, which can reduce the effectiveness of the exercise and potentially strain your back leg. Engaging your front leg is essential during Bulgarian split squats. Without proper focus on the working leg, your body may not get the full benefits of the movement. As you lower your body, consciously think about pushing through your front heel and using your front leg to control the movement. This will help you maintain stability and get the most out of the exercise. Before we move on, I want to let you know that these squat variations are powerful, but they work best as part of a complete system. If you want a simple, step-by-step plan that reboots your entire body and helps you move without pain again, I put together a comprehensive guide that walks you through everything. You can check that out in the description below. Now let's turn to targeting our glute muscles more directly, so that we're prepared for the most challenging squat variation coming up. This exercise may look simple, but I promise after you get done doing it, your glutes are going to feel completely different. Sumo squats primarily target your glute muscles and inner thighs in ways that regular squats simply cannot match. Unlike standard squats that work your legs more generally, sumo squats shift the emphasis to your glutes and inner thigh muscles. This makes them an excellent exercise for building a stronger backside and improving hip mobility, which is essential for reducing hip pain and maintaining active aging. But the benefits of sumo squats extend beyond just glute strength. This exercise also improves hip flexibility and helps unlock your hips in ways that can reduce lower back pain. Many people find that tight hips contribute to their back problems, and sumo squats directly address this issue. To perform a sumo squat, stand with your feet much wider than shoulder width apart and your toes pointed outward at about a 45-degree angle. This wide stance is what gives the exercise its name and allows for maximum glute activation. Place your hands on your hips or hold a weight in front of your chest for added resistance. From this wide position, lower your body by bending at the hips and knees, keeping your chest up and your back straight. Your knees should track in the same direction as your toes. Lower until your thighs are parallel to the ground, or as deep as your flexibility allows. Then push through your heels to return to the starting position. The key to mastering sumo squats lies in maintaining the wide stance and proper knee tracking throughout the movement. Your knees should never cave inward, as this can strain your joints and reduce the effectiveness of the exercise. This position is crucial for optimal glute engagement and ensures you're targeting the right muscles for improved posture and reduced pain. As you progress with sumo squats, you can increase the challenge by holding weights or going deeper into the squat position. This progression can help you build even more strength and improve your range of motion, which is vital for maintaining mobility as we age. Sumo squats serve as an excellent foundation for better hip health and stronger glutes. They're often used to help people who sit a lot throughout the day counteract the negative effects of prolonged sitting. By developing strength and mobility through sumo squats, you're preparing your body for better movement in all activities. What if I told you there was a way to work your legs while also challenging your balance and coordination? Jump squats are designed to build explosive power while improving your heart health and boosting circulation throughout your lower body. To perform a jump squat, start in a standard squat position with your feet shoulder width apart. Lower your body into a squat, then explosively jump up as high as you can. Land softly back in the squat position and immediately go into the next repetition. The key to mastering jump squats lies in the explosive upward movement and controlled landing. As you jump up, swing your arms overhead to help with momentum and balance. When you land, focus on landing quietly with bent knees to absorb the impact. Your chest should stay up and your knees should track over your toes just like in a regular squat. This explosive action engages more muscle fibers and provides an intense workout while improving your power and athleticism. Jump squats don't just focus on strength, they also enhance your cardiovascular fitness and metabolism boost. This improved conditioning is crucial for overall wellness and can help with blood sugar control. As you perform the exercise, you'll feel your heart rate increase significantly, making this both a strength and cardio exercise combined. Jump squats also offer a unique opportunity to improve your bone density and power, which becomes increasingly important as we age. The explosive nature of the movement stimulates bone growth and helps maintain the kind of power that keeps you feeling young and capable. One of the great aspects of jump squats is their efficiency. You can get a complete lower body and cardiovascular workout in just a few minutes. If you've never done this variation before, start with just body weight and focus on proper landing technique. As you build strength and confidence, you can increase the speed and height of your jumps. You're probably wondering how you can incorporate these exercises into a quick workout plan. Don't worry, I have you covered. But before we go over that, let me show you the ultimate squat variation that I can almost guarantee will transform how your entire lower body works. Have you ever wondered how athletes develop their impressive combination of strength, stability, and mobility? The answer might lie in a challenging squat variation that works your legs in multiple directions. The kasac squat is a powerhouse move that combines the leg strength of a traditional squat with the hip mobility of a deep stretch. Kasac squats improve hip flexibility and help restore movement patterns that most people lose as they age. This is particularly useful for those with tight hips from sitting, as it helps counteract the effects of prolonged sitting and can provide significant relief from hip pain. The exercise also engages your core muscles intensely as they work to stabilize your body throughout the movement. To perform a kasac squat, start with your feet much wider than shoulder width apart. Shift your weight to one leg and bend that knee deeply while keeping the other leg straight. Your straight leg should have the toe pointing up toward the ceiling. Lower your body as far as comfortable, then return to the center and repeat on the other side. The lateral movement in kasac squats allows for increased hip mobility and targets muscles that are often neglected in traditional exercises. This makes them highly effective for improving overall lower body function and can help with injury prevention. The side-to-side nature of the movement requires balance and coordination, enhancing overall body control and functional fitness. A common mistake is not going deep enough on the working leg or allowing the straight leg to bend. Focus on sitting back into the heel of your working leg while keeping the opposite leg completely straight and strong. Now let's put these 5 squat variations together into a weekly workout plan. Aim for 3 to 4 sets of 8 to 15 repetitions per exercise, depending on your fitness level and the specific variation. If you're just starting out, begin with 3 sets of 8 to 10 repetitions. For those more experienced, try 3 to 4 sets of 12 to 15 repetitions. Here's a sample weekly plan. Monday, goblet squats and sumo squats. Wednesday, Bulgarian split squats and jump squats. Friday, kasac squats, and a combination of your favorites. This structure allows for progressive overload and proper recovery. Remember, your muscles need about 48 hours to repair and grow stronger after a workout, so it's crucial to incorporate rest days into your routine for optimal results. As you get stronger, gradually increase the number of repetitions, sets, or add weight to the exercises. Focus on maintaining proper form throughout each exercise, as this is crucial for injury prevention and getting the maximum benefits. Share this video with a friend if you found it helpful.